Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to control who can call you on BOTIM. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is simply open the application and then make sure that you are logged in. After doing that, tap on your profile on the top right corner right here. Then you can get the option of privacy, tap on privacy, and from here you can tap on calls right here. So after doing that, here you can see currently I have everyone selected. If I only want my contacts to call me, I can tap on my contacts and select my contacts. But if I don't want a specific person to not call me, I can tap on my contacts except, and here I will get the option of selecting the specific person whom I don't want to call me. So for example, if I don't want this person to not call me, I can tap on it and then tap on confirm. And just like this, every person on my contact can call me except that particular person. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.